Find the nature of the roots of 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Given quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 5. Now discriminant. Discriminant of ax square plus bx plus c is b square minus 4ac. You substitute the values a, b, c. Now we get the answer minus 31. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That's why roots are not real. B square minus 4ac is a discriminant. Sum of the roots minus b by a, alpha plus